Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to round to the nearest 10 or 100, and we're going to show you a method that is very practical and is very visual. We've got 4 examples. Let's have a look at the first one. We've got 33 and we have to round it to the nearest 10. So this is what we're going to do. Because we round to the nearest 10, we're going to put a circle around the digit that is in the tens place. And we've got 2 possibilities. That number, that 10, is going to round either to 30 or to 40. In order to find out what is the correct answer, we've got to look at the next digit, the one in the unit, or ones. It's a 3, that means that it's much closer to 30 than to 40. Therefore, the answer will be 30. If we want to have a look at that number on a number line, we'll see that the answer is going to be 30 or 40, as we show, and 33 is going to be approximately there in the number line. Therefore, we can see so much closer to 30, which reinforces what we were saying. 30 will be the answer. Let's have a look at the next example. In this case, we've got 147, and again, we've got to round to the nearest 10. So, we're going to put a circle around the digit in the tens, and we're going to have a look at the 2 options. The answer is going to be either 140 or 150. If we look at it, and we consider what is the digit in the ones or units, we'll see that it's a 7. And 47 is so much closer to 50. Any number that is 5 or higher will be round to the next one. So the answer will be 150. We've got the answer. In the next example, we've got to round a bigger number, and this time we've got to round it to the nearest 100. So we're going to do the same. We're going to circle the digit in the hundreds. In this case is the 3. And we're going to look at the 2 options. We're either going to have 2,300 or 2,400. And we've got to look at the next digit. In this case is the tens. It's a 2, therefore lower than 5, which means that obviously the closest and nearest 100 is going to be 300. 400 will be much further. So our answer will be 2,300. And in our last exercise, we're going to have a look at another number. This one is even larger. It's 25,558. Again, rounded to the nearest 100. So we're going to circle the digit that is in the 100. Here we are. And we're going to look at the 2 possibilities. When we round, it's going to be 25,500 or 25,600. We round up. Let's look at the following digit. It's a 5. That means that we are going to round up to the higher one. In this case, it will be 25,600. We can have a look at the number line, as we did in the first exercise, and we can locate in this number line the number 25,558, which is past halfway through, maybe about here, and we can see that it's definitely closer to the 100 that we put as an answer. So in this video, we have used a method to round numbers to 10 or 100 in this following way.